G'day everyone. Welcome to Sweden. I'm Lars and this is Anna. Today, we're taking you on a real Swedish street food adventure. No fancy restaurants, just the tucker locals love. We'll explore markets, meet the legends behind the food, and taste some unforgettable dishes. Be curious, be hungry, and get ready for both savory and sweet surprises. Our first stop? A Swedish classic you'll find everywhere, perfect for lunch or a late night feed. Follow us. Can you smell those grilled sausages? That's where we're headed. Let's kick off this food tour. Here it is, tunnbrödsrulle. At first glance, it might look like just another street food wrap, but this Swedish classic is so much more than meets the eye. It's a true icon of Swedish comfort food, beloved by locals, and a must-try for anyone visiting Sweden. The name itself means thin bread roll, but don't let its simplicity fool you. Inside, it's a flavor explosion. Imagine biting into a soft, chewy flatbread that's been gently warmed, then discovering a juicy grilled sausage nestled inside. But that's just the beginning. The next layer is a generous scoop of creamy mashed potatoes, adding a comforting, hearty texture that sets this wrap apart from any ordinary hot dog. Then comes the real twist, a cool, tangy shrimp salad, flecked with fresh dill and a squeeze of lemon. This unexpected seafood topping is what gives the tunnbrödsrulle its unique Swedish flair, balancing the richness of the sausage and potatoes with a burst of freshness. To finish, a handful of crispy fried onions is sprinkled on top, adding crunch and a hint of sweetness. And of course, no tunnbrödsrulle is complete without a generous drizzle of ketchup and a squiggle of tangy mustard, bringing all the flavors together in perfect harmony. Every bite is a wild, delicious mix of textures and tastes. Soft, creamy, crunchy, savory, and just a little bit sweet. It's a combination that might sound unusual, but trust us, it works a treat. The tunnbrödsrulle is proof that sometimes the most unexpected pairings make for the most memorable meals. Because the tunnbrödsrulle is more than just a meal. It's a taste of Swedish culture, history, and creativity, all wrapped up in one delicious package. But don't put down your appetite just yet, because up next is something sweet and just as iconic. Ready for a Swedish cinnamon bun? Let's discover the story behind Sweden's most beloved pastry, the kanelbullar. It's time to discover kanelbullar, the Swedish cinnamon bun, a true icon of Swedish baking and a treat that's beloved by locals and visitors alike. If you've ever strolled through the streets of Stockholm or wandered into a cozy cafe in Gothenburg, you've probably caught a whiff of their irresistible aroma wafting through the air. These buns are more than just a snack. They're a symbol of Swedish culture and hospitality. Unlike the sticky, ultra-sweet cinnamon rolls you might find elsewhere, Swedish kanelbullar are light, delicately spiced, and perfectly balanced. Their golden crust gives way to a soft, pillowy interior, and every bite is infused with a gentle sweetness that never overwhelms. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water, and the taste is pure comfort, warm, inviting, and just sweet enough to keep you coming back for more. The secret to their magic lies in the dough, which is enriched with cardamom, a spice that adds a subtle floral note and sets Swedish buns apart from any other. Inside, a swirl of cinnamon and sugar creates that classic comforting flavor, while a generous sprinkle of pearl sugar on top adds a delightful crunch and a touch of sweetness. It's a combination that's both simple and extraordinary. Kanelbullar are everywhere in Sweden, from bustling city bakeries to quiet countryside kitchens. Every family has their own cherished recipe, often passed down through generations, and baking these buns together is a beloved tradition, especially on chilly afternoons when the scent of cinnamon fills the home. Some add extra cardamom, others experiment with different shapes or fillings, but the heart of the bun remains the same: warmth, comfort, and togetherness. That's why Sweden even has a national day dedicated to this pastry, Cinnamon Bun Day, celebrated every year on October 4th. On this day, bakeries across the country fill their shelves with fresh kanelbullar, and Swedes of all ages gather to enjoy them with friends, family, and colleagues. It's a celebration of tradition, community, and the simple joy of sharing something delicious. Kanelbullar are also at the heart of fika, the cherished Swedish coffee break that's as much about connection as it is about caffeine. Whether you're catching up with friends, taking a pause from work, or simply enjoying a quiet moment alone, a kanelbullar and a cup of coffee make every fika feel special. It's a ritual that brings people together and reminds us to slow down and savor life's little pleasures. So go ahead, grab a kanelbullar, take a generous bite, and experience for yourself why this humble pastry is considered the king of Swedish treats. The soft dough, the fragrant spices, the sweet crunch of pearl sugar. It's a taste of Sweden in every mouthful, and a memory you'll want to relive again and again. Now here's a question for you. Do you think the kanelbullar could ever be topped by the classic Swedish sausage wrap? It's a tough call, but for many the cinnamon bun reigns supreme. The debate is all part of the fun, and tasting both is the best way to decide for yourself. Next, we're leaving the world of sweet pastries behind and heading to Sweden's stunning coastline, where the flavors of the sea await. Get ready for a whole new taste adventure. Welcome to the seaside. Well, almost. We're at a classic strömmingsvagn for fried herring. Don't worry, this isn't the strong pickled kind. It's Baltic herring, lightly pickled, coated in rye flour, and pan-fried. Served on crisp bread with mashed potatoes, pickled onions, and dill. It's crunchy, creamy, tangy, and fresh. This is old-school Stockholm street food, born from fishermen's lunches. Today, it's a retro favorite for all ages. Simple ingredients, big flavors, and a taste of Swedish history. Are you a herring convert yet? Time for something sweet, fit for royalty. Behold, Princess Tårta, Sweden's most elegant cake. A dome of green marzipan hides layers of sponge, raspberry jam, vanilla cream, and a cloud of whipped cream. It's light, delicate, and beautiful, sold by the slice at markets and cafés. The recipe was created for Swedish princesses in the 1920s, and now it's the cake for every celebration. Every Swede has a memory tied to princess cake. It's a mini celebration in every bite. Feeling regal? Good, because we've got one more savory classic to try. Let's go. Our final savory stop, korv med mos, sausage with mashed potatoes. Found at kiosks everywhere, it's the ultimate Swedish fast food. Grilled sausages, creamy mash piped onto your plate, and your choice of ketchup, mustard, and crispy onions. It's simple, comforting, and loved by everyone. Kids, workers, families. This dish has been a staple since the early 20th century, connecting generations. No frills, just pure comfort food. Enjoy every bite. This is Swedish street food at its core. Now let's slow down for a true Swedish ritual. It's time to experience fika, the beloved Swedish coffee break that's so much more than just a pause in the day. Fika is a cherished tradition, a moment to slow down, savor the present, and truly connect with those around you. Whether you're at a bustling city cafe or a quiet corner bakery, fika is about stepping away from the rush and making space for genuine conversation and relaxation. Fika isn't just about coffee and cake. It's a meaningful ritual that brings together friends, family, and even colleagues. It's a time to share stories, laughter, and a sense of togetherness, no matter how busy life gets. In Sweden, fika is woven into the fabric of daily life, creating moments of joy and connection that everyone looks forward to. Today, we're indulging in strong, aromatic Swedish coffee, brewed to perfection and served piping hot. Alongside, there's the classic chocolate bowl, a delightful chocolate oat ball rolled in coconut, offering a sweet bite that pairs perfectly with your cup of coffee. And of course, we can't forget kladdkaka, the famous sticky chocolate cake that's rich, gooey, and utterly irresistible. These treats aren't just desserts, they're an invitation to slow down and savor the moment. Fika is all about balance, working hard, but also knowing when to rest, recharge, and enjoy the company of others. It's a gentle reminder that life is best lived when we take time to appreciate the little things and the people who matter most. Whether it's a morning pick-me-up or an afternoon break, fika is a daily tradition that brings people together across Sweden. It's a ritual that transcends age and background, uniting everyone in the simple pleasure of good coffee, sweet treats, and warm conversation. Sharing pastries and conversation is truly at the heart of Swedish life. It's these small, shared moments that create lasting memories and strengthen the bonds of community. This is how Swedes build community, one cup of coffee and one sweet treat at a time. So, raise your cup and join in. Skål för fika, and for the joy of coming together. What a day! We've tasted Sweden's best street food and shared some amazing moments. Now, the big question, what was your favorite? The tunnbrödsrullar's wild combo? The crispy strumming burger? The regal princess cake? Or the classic korv med mos? For us, it's impossible to choose. Each dish tells a story. Thanks for being adventurous and open to new flavors. This tour was all about sharing, exploring, and connecting through food. We hope you leave inspired to try Swedish food wherever you are. Let's wrap up with one last invitation. Food brings us together, and today you've all become honorary Swedes. We hope we've sparked your curiosity and made you hungry for more. If you visit Sweden, dive into the markets, ask questions, and taste everything. Our food is vibrant, creative, and rooted in tradition. Come for a fika, try a tunnbrödsrulle, and discover your own favorite treat. Thank you for joining our Stockholm food adventure. Until next time, hej då and happy eating.